Hi there, this is meteorologist Mark Pellerito from the National Weather Service in Binghamton, New York with a general weather outlook for the weekend and beyond. Well, it sure was quite a storm that impacted the area, and now that it's gone, we've been getting a lot of questions about how much water is contained in that snowpack and does this pose a potential for flooding. Well, as you can see on the map here, much of eastern Pennsylvania and central to eastern New York have 2 inches of water or more contained within that snowpack, the areas that you see in the darker shades of blue. This is modeled snow water equivalent from our colleagues at the National Operational Hydrologic Remote Sensing Center. Temperatures are going to go up the next few days, but not surging by any means, and in fact overall they'll stay below normal. This is a good thing because it'll allow the snowpack to melt a little bit by day and then stop melting by night, and so it'll bleed it out slowly, and that's kind of what we want to see right now as far as minimizing any potential for flooding. So Friday highs are generally upper 20s to mid 30s. On Saturday we tack on a couple more degrees. And then on Sunday, mid 30s to around 40 degrees for highs. We do have a weak system that'll be coming through the region Friday night through Saturday night. It will provide a little bit of snowfall, but some of it's going to melt halfway through as rain mixes in during the day on Saturday. So all told, this is what our current thinking is for the snow amounts from this system. Generally 1 to 2 inches with some 3-inch amounts in higher terrain, and also some areas even getting less than an inch, especially up by the New York Thruway. Looking ahead, the weather pattern remains unsettled early next week with upper 30s to lower 40s for highs Monday and Tuesday, and then temperatures actually turn colder again. We do not see any big storm systems on the horizon, and for that matter, no above normal temperatures in sight. So we are monitoring the flood potential situation closely. However, for now, we are not all that worried. We're just keeping a close eye on it. For details of your forecast, you can go to our social media platforms or also weather.gov/BGM and mobile.weather.gov. Have a great weekend.